Alright, for the dog class, all you have to do is one mem copy to copy the entire class. Alright, the cat class is pretty much the same, except you can rearrange its data members to make it 24 bytes. Alright, the bird class is a little bit different. X and Y I can just copy directly into the array. For the string, however, I took the approach of copying the length of the string into the buffer and then copying the string itself into the buffer, adding +1 for the null terminator. Then when you deserialize it, you can just read the data from the buffer in the same order you put it in. So read X and Y back out first, and then from the buffer get how long the string is and copy in that many characters. Again, +1 for the null terminator. Right, for the fish, I start by copying the data that's in the apple and orange classes. The source being whatever address the apple and oranges point to. Then X, Y, and A I can just copy directly. And when I deserialize, I have to create new instances of apples and oranges for the new class to use, copy in their data, and then X, Y, and A I can just copy in directly. Alright, then for the snake, for serializing a snake itself, I can copy in the key directly. For the egg, I again have to copy the data that the egg points to. And when deserializing, I can retrieve the key directly, and again create a new egg for the new snake, and then set all of its data variables from the buffer. Alright, for serializing the Medusa as a whole, I have to iterate through each snake link present in the list and serialize each one into the buffer, keeping track of how many total there are at the same time because I am serializing that into the beginning of the buffer. That's so the deserialization knows how many it should try to read. Right, and for deserializing the Medusa, I start with getting the length of the list from the very beginning of the array. This is how many bytes I copied for each snake link because I ignored any of the padding that was present in them. So I essentially just go through the buffer and copy that many bytes from it, however many times based on the length of the list, and set their links accordingly, associating them with new snakes each time. For the head, I have to set the links differently from the rest of the list because the head won't have a previous link. And to quickly show that every test passes,